Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour. Today we are going to compare 5 main French tenses with Group 2 French verbs. The objective today is to learn an overview of the 5 main tenses for regular IR verbs. For example, finir, which means to finish. Let's conjugate it in present.
Présent, je finis, tu finis, ils elles ont fini, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils elles finissent.
The second tense is past tense. For past tense, for all the second group I are verbs, you remove the R and then you have the past participle, which means I finished or I have finished.
Passé composé, j'ai fini, tu as fini, ils elles on a fini, nous avons fini, vous avez fini, ils elles ont fini.
The next tense is imperfect tense. It is also past tense as well. It is when you have to say I finished or I have finished. For the stem of imperfect tense, take the nous form of present tense, remove ONS and add the endings.
Imparfait, je finissais, tu finissais, ils elles on finissait, nous finissions, vous finissiez, ils elles finissaient.
The fourth tense is the future tense. It is easy to conjugate for the IR verbs. Keep the verb as it is and add those special ending. Which means I will finish.
Futur, je finirai, tu finiras, ils elles on finira, nous finirons, vous finirez, ils elles finiront.
Let's have a look at tense number 5, the conditional. We will learn how to say I would finish. How do we do that? Take the future tense of finir, keep the verb as it is, and add the endings of imperfect tense.
Conditionnel, je finirai, tu finirais, ils elles on finirait, nous finirions, vous finiriez, ils elles finiraient.
We learned the verb finir in all 5 tenses. Look at all the tenses next to each other.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.